Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to connect Jira to Power BI. Alright, so let's begin with the video. A simpler option is to use a dedicated connector available through the Jira Marketplace. To begin, open your Jira dashboard and go to the App section from the left-hand menu. When the drop-down appears, select Explore More Apps. Once the Marketplace page loads, search for Power BI. You'll see several available integrations and connectors. One commonly used option is the Power BI connector for Jira by Tempo software. Open the connector page and select the option to start a free trial. Next, choose the Jira site where you want the connector installed. Review the permissions and information displayed during the setup process, then proceed with the installation. After the installation is complete, the connector will be added to your Jira environment and should appear under the Apps section. Open the Power BI connector for Jira from the left side menu, then navigate to the Data Sources area. If you don't already have a data source configured, create a new one. Give it a name, select the fields you want to include in your reports. You can select any field from here and save the configuration. Once the data source has been created, copy the generated URL that will be used to connect Power BI. Now open Power BI Desktop app and then go to top left and click Get Data. Choose either the Web Connector or the OData Feed option. After that, paste the URL you copied from Jira. Then, in the authentication kind, select Basic. Enter the email address associated with your Jira account as the username. For the password, you'll need to create a password in Jira. Return to the connector settings and open the Export Password section. Click on Create a new password. Then give it a label, choose an expiration date if desired, and generate the password. Copy the password and use it in Power BI. After entering your credentials, click Next. Power BI will then establish a connection with Jira and import the available data. Once the data loads successfully, you can begin building reports and dashboards using information from your Jira projects. And that's it. So that's basically how you can connect Jira to Power BI. So that's all for this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.